Hi, and welcome. This is Jenny's Garden. So Jenny's Garden was created and started over 45 years ago. This area of West Harlem that goes down below Riverside Drive, in between basically the West Side Highway and Riverside Drive, 45 years ago was literally a dump with burnt out cars and trash and whatnot all in the area. And then a group of community volunteers came together and really commandeered the land and took it over and became a Green Thumb's garden within the Parks and Rec system of New York City. So we are a volunteer-based community garden, which means that volunteers, if they show a continuous commitment throughout a continual growing season, they are in line to get their own community box, and then they have to continue to show volunteering and commitment to the garden and the parks, because we not only manage our garden here, but we also manage all of the parts of Riverside Park between 135 and 145th Street up on Riverside Drive. And for our larger community plots, we harvest 3 to 4 times in a summer for a local soup kitchen at 114th and Broadway. We've already done one this year and we're ready to do another. And here we're trying to save our edamame plants, which are being eaten and demolished, as well as our broccoli, by a little groundhog. Some of them call him Gadzooks, some call him Grover. I call him a pest. The second part of our garden is the deck garden, which is all in shade and is normally a nice place where we congregate and have cookouts and whatnot. We have a new squash trellis this season, and it goes all the way in the back where our greenhouse is and our compost system, and new volunteers. Swallowtail.
Look at how beautiful.
Look at that.
Wow. She is as happy as she can be.
As happy as can be. And here's our compost bin. That is the 3-bin system that Sean, our composter, likes to cover it up to keep it warm. Our box 1 is where you chop and you drop it. Our box 2 is where it sits and it cooks for several months. And then our box 3 is when it's finished and it's ready to go into the garden. And that's Jenny's Garden. You can go onto YouTube and do a search for Jenny's Garden Harlem, where you can see a video of Jenny interviewed 12 years ago, in which there's old pictures and things from way back when. And then you can come and take a look and see what our garden looks like today. Thank you. Until then, stay safe and healthy.